Yeah, no problem. My name's Andy Winstanley. Been at MINDERA for about 4 years. My role is the lead of the gaming vertical. Core DNA platforms, we provide services in the engineering space, back-end, DevOps, data. Every week we have new demand for front-end, back-end, multiple disciplines, multiple skills, multiple cores. So gaming's at MINDERA is multifaceted. We've got clients who obviously we are building technologies, platforms with. We've also got internal gaming, so MINDERA has a gaming entity itself where we're building our own games. Consistently, it's about scale. I look at the gambling side and it's all about stability, performance. If I look at gaming, it's all about building platforms where, from a multiplayer point of view, we've got to have plus 1 million concurrent users for multiple hours. Performance and scalability, maintenance is kind of a core discussions we're having at the moment. A lot of it is trust, integrity. We have a proven track record of delivery. The way we work with people generally is that we are obviously partners. They listen to us, we listen to them, and we build just a very friendly, kind of productive environment. I'd like to think that they think we are fun, because that's important as well. We listen to them and really understand what it is that they are trying to achieve. I'd like to think that they kind of enjoy generally working with us. I probably wouldn't. It's difficult explaining anything to my mother. She's not really technical. She's lovely. She's lovely. It's kind of an extension of your family. People you work with are your colleagues. You enjoy each other's company, you work well together, and as long as you're enjoying what you're doing, I think my mum would be happy. You know me, I don't prepare any. It's literally turn up and do.